Hi, I'm going to chat with Llama 3 8 billion parameter model using Groq Cloud API and Deepgram voice to text and text to speech synthesizer. So let's try this out. Hi, how are you?
I'm just a computer program, but I'm here to help you. How can I assist you today?
Could you please explain what is price action?
Price action refers to the movement of a security's price over time. It is often used by technical traders to analyze and predict future price movements. Would you like to know more about technical trading?
When price action is invented?
Price action is not something that was invented. It is a concept that has been used by traders for many years to analyze the movement of prices in financial markets. Would you like to know more about the history of trading and financial markets?
How price action is different from order flow analysis?
Price action and order flow analysis are both techniques used by traders to analyze financial markets, but they focus on different aspects of the market. Price action looks at the movement of prices over time, while order flow analysis looks at the flow of buy and sell orders in the market. Would you like to know more about these techniques and how they are used in trading?